Hello and welcome to this video on some facts about solar energy. Solar energy, also known as solar power, is energy that is generated from the sun's rays. It is a renewable and sustainable source of energy that has been used for centuries by humans in various ways. With the increasing demand for clean energy, solar power has become a popular alternative to traditional sources of energy like coal, oil, and gas. In this video, we will explore the benefits and limitations of solar energy, how it works, and its potential for the future. Benefits of solar energy. Renewable. Solar energy is a renewable source of energy, meaning that it is naturally replenished. Sustainable. Solar energy is a sustainable source of energy, meaning that it can be used without depleting the Earth's resources. Clean. Solar energy is a clean source of energy, meaning that it does not produce harmful pollutants like traditional sources of energy. Cost-effective. Solar energy can save money on electricity bills, and with the decreasing cost of solar panels, it has become an affordable option for many households. Diverse. Solar energy can be used in various ways, from powering homes to charging electronic devices to heating water. Limitations of solar energy. Dependence on weather. Solar energy is dependent on sunlight, meaning that it may not be reliable in areas with frequent cloudy or rainy weather. Initial cost. The initial cost of installing solar panels can be high, although it is an investment that can save money in the long run. Land use. Solar farms require large amounts of land, which can be a concern in densely populated areas. Energy storage. Solar energy is not easily stored, meaning that excess energy may be wasted if not used immediately. How solar energy works. Solar panels, made up of photovoltaic cells, absorb sunlight and convert it into electricity. The electricity generated by the solar panels can be used immediately or stored in batteries for later use. Solar panels can be installed on rooftops or on the ground in solar farms. The future of solar energy. As technology continues to improve, the efficiency and affordability of solar energy are expected to increase. Solar energy is already being used on a large scale, and it has the potential to provide a significant portion of the world's energy needs in the future. Frequently asked questions. What is the difference between solar energy and solar power? Solar energy refers to the energy generated from the sun's rays, while solar power refers to the use of that energy to power homes and other devices. Can solar energy be used at night? Solar energy cannot be generated at night when there is no sunlight. However, it can be stored in batteries for later use. How long do solar panels last? Solar panels can last up to 25 to 30 years with proper maintenance. How much energy can solar panels generate? The amount of energy generated by solar panels depends on various factors, including the size of the panels, the amount of sunlight received, and the efficiency of the panels. Are solar panels expensive? The cost of solar panels has decreased significantly in recent years and is now considered an affordable option for many households. Can solar energy be used in remote areas? Solar energy can be used in remote areas where there is no access to traditional sources of energy like electricity. How does solar energy help the environment? Solar energy is a clean and renewable source of energy, meaning that it does not produce harmful pollutants and does not contribute to climate change. Can solar energy be used for large-scale projects? Solar energy is already being used on a large scale in solar farms, and it has the potential to provide a significant portion of the world's energy needs in the future. How does solar energy compare to traditional sources of energy? Solar energy is often compared to traditional sources of energy such as coal, oil, and natural gas. While traditional sources have been the primary source of energy for many years, they have several disadvantages, including environmental impact, limited supply, and rising costs. In contrast, solar energy is a clean and renewable source of energy that can be harnessed from the sun's rays. It has no emissions or harmful byproducts, and its supply is virtually limitless. In conclusion, solar energy is a promising source of renewable energy that has the potential to revolutionize the way we power our lives. From homes and businesses to transportation and beyond, solar energy can provide clean, sustainable energy that reduces our dependence on fossil fuels and helps to mitigate climate change. Like the video and remember to subscribe to our channel.